That is really a very, very tight race if you ask me. Rizal, Basilan, Mindoro, and Zamboanga.
I remember Sarangani, I believe we covered that. Because I remember saying after 2 games, they were 1-1.
They blitz Tagala, and Pascual with the steal, Pascual with the finish.
Yung mga off-the-court moments matters just as much as the on-the-court ones. So, Coach Chris?
Thank you so much, Andrea. Ang gandang banding yan. 10 araw sa Mindoro. Kaya mo yon, Christian Luanzon.
On the floor, I thought in the last game, as a team, Mindoro did a good job limiting their turnovers to only 12. As you see, semi-transition right here. Lars Sunga finishes. He has 5 points already.
11-0. Sedorifa. Tigil, makabasket ang Mindoro. And finally, after 4 minutes and 20 seconds in this ball game, nakashoot na rin.
Who led all guards. No, actually, all players in terms of distribution with 6 assists. Here comes Heruela. 3-on-2, Sedorifa. He will finish. And Coach Mike on the call sa Mindoro. I thought I was dreaming. I thought I was watching another link or something.
Heruela to Gamalinda. Nakabalik na dito yung Mindoro. 7-0 run. Bam Bam for 3. Good.
Binubuo nila yung Chinese community dito eh. Kasi yung binanggit mo, si Doligue, si Apasible, si 3 by Brian Heruela. That quickly.
13-11. Caspe. Attacks middle. Blocked by Marilao. Dositan 5. Gets it to Kantimbuhan. Back to Coco Pingoy for 3. Good. Marilao. No numbers.
Nice.
As Flores comes up with the steal. Heruela. Just a little over 2 minutes remaining here in the first period. Clint Doliges, first touch of the basketball. Apasible faces up and nails the jumper.
Knocked down by Apasible.
Kantimbuhan gets away.